Please grab your coffee and feast your eyes because in this video I'm gonna blow your mind by showing you a new brand method to make money online effortlessly. So let's get started. And first of all, just head over to Google and look for something very critical and very vital topic in our modern life, like this one, for example, why suicide. And here you can find tons of these articles talking about this topic. So here I just take one of them, like mental health, and it could be like this one, as you see. Just grab the link of this article, and now we can move on to the next website, that is notebooklm.google, one of the most beautiful branches of Google. It contains huge amounts of AI tools that will help you more to make money online. So just you can sign up for free using your Gmail, and now you can find this button, create new notebook. Therefore, it's time now to upload your content either from Google Drive or a link, or paste your text. So in our case today, just you can head over to this website, and therefore you can insert here the link of your previous URL. And now you can click over this insert, and it could be like this one, as you see. And for sure here you can find various options here down below this note. Like you can add a note or audio overview or mind map. Here you can convert your article or this topic to a beautiful and awesome mind map. Or in the right panel you can find a beautiful option that says deep dive conversation. Yes, here you can convert your article or this topic to a beautiful interactive podcast to hosts. So here you can click over this button, generate, and just in a few minutes you can find this beautiful magic. Like this one.
Okay, let's take a moment here. We're about to do a deep dive into a really sensitive topic.
Extremely sensitive. We need to handle this with care.
Exactly. We're looking at why suicide can sometimes feel like the only option left.
And we're using a specific article provided to us titled "Why Suicide Can Feel Like the Only Option" as our guide.
Right. Our aim today.
As he amazing interactive podcast using AI about this critical topic, as you see. And now we can actually click over these three dots and download your MP3 track of this podcast. And to make it professional a little bit, here you can actually insert a music background to this podcast or this MP3 track. So now we can head over to this amazing website, that is pixpay.com, where you can find tons of these music backgrounds, royalty free and for commercial use. Here you can look for your type or your genre that aligns perfect with your own podcast topic. Okay, and for sure you can do that on Canva.com or any other editing software. And here you can make your own episode podcast ready to make money online in different ways. And the first way, you can actually bundle some podcast episodes relevant to a specific topic or a specific niche in a bundle and sell them as digital products. Yes, you heard that right. And for sure you can sell these digital products on different platforms like Gumroad, PayHype, and so on. And for sure we all know digital products, it could be video files, PDF files, audio files, and so on. Therefore here you can sell your binge-worthy and audio-first content as premium episodes about a specific topic in a bundle form as a digital product and make money online from it. And if you want to be more professional, you can attach these episodes with different PDF files or ebooks or Canva templates or so on. And for that, I just suggest for you to grab some amazing premium ebooks or Canva templates or articles from the huge bundle of 30 million digital products in PLR license. Instead of wasting your time and effort, you can plug and play, grab your own suitable and relevant products and align with your episodes here just by converting some articles or your content into beautiful podcast and bundle them all in all in one digital product and sell it professionally on any website you want. So for sure you can find the link of this huge bundle down below in the description box in the first comment. So the first way here, you can utilize these episodes or these podcast episodes just by selling them as digital products. And the second method here, you can provide this amazing gig on freelancing platforms like on Fiverr.com, Upwork, and so on. And for sure you can provide the service for the content creators and helping them to repurpose their articles to beautiful and awesome podcast, as you heard previously. And for sure, you can provide this gig for just a fee of $5, $10 as you like. And of course, you can actually add some premium offers by making some notes, transcripts, takeaways, and so on. For sure, you can use Chat GPT to do everything for you for free. So here simply you can head over to this website that is turposcribe.com. It's completely for free to transcribe your audio files or your episodes, in other words, by using this amazing browse files option. Therefore, you can get your transcript and head over to ChatGPT, where you can actually ask for convert this transcript to a beautiful article with notes, some takeaways, some beautiful lessons, and so on. And for sure, you've got to provide and publish your article here or a new version of this article in different platforms or your new blog post as your reference of this podcast, like on your blog post or in medium.com or Quora Space and so on. For sure, you can also provide these premium tools like the notes or the takeaways or your audio file or podcast as a premium offer as digital products inside your articles here on medium.com. And second message here, you can actually use these digital products or your audio files to make something like membership style. And for sure, you can use some platforms out there to do this amazing way, like on Instagram or social media. You can provide your posts here about your topic and your niche and direct people to your link in bio to get your membership, to get access to your premium episodes and your files, your ebooks, and so on. And for sure, you can use different platforms to help you out for this way, like this one, Ko-fi.com. It's a beautiful link in bio builder. This enables you to sell your digital products, memberships, and so on, as you see. And for sure, I just talked about how we can run this membership way to make money online in a previous and brilliant way. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. Or you can use this website, that is patreon.com. Here you can also make your paid membership method to make money online using your episodes and your audio files. And then the next way to make money online using these episodes or this podcast, just by creating your own podcast and host them in a beautiful platform like this one, the redcircle.com. Here you can host your files as a podcast for you and brand yourself as a podcaster and make money online through ads, sponsorships, and so on. So redcircle.com or this one, creators.spotify.com. Here you can host your files and run your own podcast and make money online effortlessly. And the next way to make money online from these audio files, just by repurposing them to a YouTube channel. Yes, you heard that right. And then you can do that simply in different ways. Just by using this one, Pictory.ai, here you can convert your script and your audio files to a beautiful video using AI, as you see in this preview, as you see. Or you can use different softwares like CapCut or Canva.com to actually add some visuals, assets like images, animated images, videos, and so on, either by using AI tools or from free royalty platforms like Pixels, Pixpay, and so on, to make your own podcast vital and more appealing. Or clipchamp.com. And the last way to make money online using these audio files or this podcast episodes, in other words, for sure, building your email list through beehive.com. You can build your email list and just by sending weekly your bite-sized episodes and a link back to your premium offer. It could be digital product, affiliate products, or the full episode as a digital product that you can link back on Gumroad, Beehive, and so forth. So that way you can make money online effortlessly by using Google Notebook, by converting some pieces of content or articles to beautiful interactive podcast episodes around a specific topic or crucial one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.